Hi, my name is Tobias from Technical Service, and today I'll show you how to install the TECEnow. First, you'll need the mounting frame and the mounting screws. First, the mounting screws are carefully inserted through the pre-drilled holes in the frame, and then they are securely placed into the specialized EasyFit system. Once the mounting screws are in place, you can use a Phillips screwdriver and the actuator rod to tighten the screws. When the mounting frame is secure, take the actuator rod, break it to the appropriate length, and insert it into the actuator block. The small ones turn upwards, snap into this actuator block, and are fixed in place. Finally, simply place the actuator plate on top. That was the installation of the TECEnow. If you have any further technical questions, feel free to contact our technical service by phone, email, or WhatsApp.